Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Do your muscles scream for attention after you exercise?
Then you really need to try Brookethorne's natural Cryoglide Massage Ball Roller. This cold therapy and massage combined with some essential oils really helps my muscles after a workout. I do have sciatica, so it really helps with that. And my feet are constantly in pain. So I try to do this on my feet. It's pretty cold, so have the heater right next to you. The best part for me is that this stays cold for a very long time. When you put it in the carrying case, I find that it lasts more than 6 hours staying cold.
So get some relief from your sore muscles like I do with this natural Cryoglide Massage Ball Roller. You will love it. We highly recommend it, but that's just our point of view.